you love when you put in a Walmart delivery and the one thing you needed, like really needed, was out of stock? Dang it. Anyway, I managed to get a bunch of groceries, so let's do a little haul. Oh, okay, these ones I got to go on the ground. The one thing that I needed that they didn't have in stock was white out, because I made a few mistakes on these daycare parent gifts and I need to fix them. So now I'm gonna have to go drive, I don't know, to the Dollar Tree or something and hunt down some white out. But actually there was some other things I needed. This wasn't, I mean, obviously I got all this stuff. It was things I needed. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first off, I'm hosting a daycare Christmas party on Saturday, and some of my daycare kids' older siblings are going to be there. So I did want to put together just like a little bit of a gift for them. I think there's going to be 4 siblings there, I believe. Anyway, I found these are adorable mugs. They're just like little mini mugs. So I'm going to put together a little gift bag, and one of each of these are going in them. Looks like they get a little sugar cookie white chocolate too. And then I'm going to do a couple packets of hot chocolate in there too. Do you call it like hot chocolate or hot cocoa? I'm always like, I use both. I don't know what is proper. Grab some more syrup. Oh, and I'm also, my dad's Christmas present. This is what he really wanted for Christmas. He wanted freezer meals. So we're celebrating Christmas with my dad on Saturday also, and I'm going to try really hard to pull off some freezer meals for him. So I grabbed some ingredients to make those. I'm doing a couple different variations of tater tot hot dish, so I grabbed those. And then I couldn't remember what I had and didn't have in my pantry, and I was downstairs with daycare kids this morning, so I added black beans and tomato paste. Okay, a bunch of frozen veggies, corn, yeah, and mixed veggies are all in here. Some multigrain crackers. Some strawberry banana Cheerios. Oh, I didn't mean to get little tortillas. I mess up all the time when I like order things. Some Spanish rice for the enchiladas that I make that everybody gives me a bunch of crap for. My husband hates Monopoly, so every year, it's like my favorite. So every year I get him a new Monopoly game. But you know what? This one looks like a good one. It's Monopoly Chance, and it says you can play it in about 20 minutes. Like, if I'm getting him to play Monopoly with me, I might have a chance at this one. Anyway, this was like, came with 6 different card games. That was going to be for these sibling gifts for daycare. All of their siblings are pretty much like prior daycare kids of mine too, that have just like outgrown my daycare, so it's kind of fun. My kids, last time I got a box of these, I think they polished them in like 4 days. They're just like obsessed. I need to ration them. I love having fully cooked bacon on hand for recipes. I'm going to make some cowboy stew later this week. That's what that's for. Some bread, some buns that I just accidentally squished a little bit. Lasagna noodles, cinnamon graham crackers, honey nut Cheerios, more canned goods. Baked beans. They were all out of like the Bush's baked beans, so I got great value. We'll try those. More black beans. Cream of mushroom soup. Tomatoes with green chilies. A couple of those. Another cream of mushroom. I also meant to get big plates for my daycare Christmas party. I got little ones. It'll probably be just fine. More lasagna noodles. Alright, gift bags, so I have some for like sibling little gifts that I'm doing. Onions. Ham. I'm going to do like the ham and potato soup that I really like to make for my dad for one of the freezer meals. Tomato paste, more baked beans. Blueberries. So my daycare Christmas party is in the morning, so I'm going to do, I think, blueberry muffins, banana bread, maybe some fruit, just like super simple. Just brown sugar. Then we are almost out of powdered sugar after making gingerbread houses. So I got 3 more bags. And that's it. Now I have, oh my gosh, I have 7 minutes to put stuff away before I gotta get my daycare kids up from naps. So I'm gonna hurry and do that. And if you're wondering how much I spent, it was like $193, and that was with a like almost $19 tip. So for the driver, deliverer person.